An Atlanta judge has issued an order to unseal the autopsy results for the deceased daughter of the late Whitney Houston, Bobbi Kristina Brown. More than 7 months since Bobbi Kristina passed, the judge granted the request filed by media outlets. Lawyers representing the media argued that the results of the autopsy should be unsealed because there was no public notification or opportunity for a hearing. Bobbi Kristina was found unresponsive in her bathtub at her Atlanta area home in January 2015 by her longtime boyfriend, Nick Gordon, and was in a coma until she passed away on July 26, 2015.